Well folks, welcome back. Day 3's Northumbrian mission. So I'm off the crag, obviously. Weather's lifted and I've headed further inland. I've headed west, the wild west of Northumberland. And I'm just walking down a beautiful little gorge here. And there's another fantastic waterfall which I want to show you. But it's such a lovely walk going through the forest here, it's fantastic. So you're in for another treat. Just goes to show you don't have to go too far to find some fantastic, beautiful spots. And Northumberland really is the place to be. So if you've got 15 minutes, come and join us on a wild wander through the wilds of Northumberland. Well, I'm sure you've seen the film Dirty Dancing. I did consider it, I did. And I'll be honest, a lot of people have said I do look a lot like Patrick Swayze as well. Yeah, it's probably a good idea I didn't do that, like, in fairness. I think 15 stone of prime Bellingham beef would have snapped that straight in two. Yeah, the bridge was a much better idea, much better idea. We're about halfway through now. Forest beautiful. Weather's picked up quite nicely. What all you do is you just follow the river right the way along and it comes up to the waterfall at the top end there. A couple of little bridges, you just zigzag your way across the river. It's absolutely stunning, really, really nice. So I'll bring you along the rest of the way. But like I said on the last one, brace yourself, this is fantastic. Oh well, off we go. Well, that's definitely one of my favourite things to see. Just goes to show life finds a way, as I said on Jurassic Park. Let's see if I can zoom in, show you a little bit what I mean. So this conifer here, the seed's obviously been dropped by the birds on that rock, and it's found its footing in the moss that's grown. And over the years, that's obviously flourished. Because of where it is, it's probably not going to grow too tall through the canopy. It's not getting the light that it probably needs, but absolutely stunning. I love that. But you can get much more beautiful than that, does it? Let's face it. I told you it was fantastic. So this is Hareshaw Linn. It's a 22-foot waterfall, tucked away in a gorge in the heart of Northumberland. We're spoiled for choice up here, man, honestly, we really are. Absolutely fantastic. And this river just meanders right the way down into the small village of Bellingham, which is lovely. And not too far away you've got Kielder as well. So this is an adventure playground, really. It's absolutely fantastic. I've got the place to myself yet again. And believe it or not, down here it's a little bit of a microclimate in fairness, and it's actually pretty warm. It's just absolutely stunning. Just over to the other side here there's a little bit of an overhang, which would be pretty good for a bit of an overnighter, but again, you're going to get a spray from the waterfall. But I'm pleased you've come along. It's nice to be able to show people, you know, my local area. And this is just another stunning example of how beautiful Northumberland can be. I'm going to make a slow walk back through the forest, head back to the car, and then it's going to be a lovely drive. I'm going to have a little bit of a meet-up later on with a good pal of mine. You've probably seen some of his YouTube videos. It's a Geordie wild camper. He's a top man. So we're going to have a bit of wild camp tonight in an undisclosed location. But I expect roaring fires, good crack, and a couple of crafty ales, I would have said, and all. So, going a little bit further down the way. See you later on.